and let go of all tension. Feel the stillness embracing you like a warm, gentle wave. With every breath, you sink deeper into a state of peace. Notice the quiet hum of energy flowing within you. A soft golden light begins to awaken inside. Feel its warmth expanding, pulsing with each heartbeat. This light moves gently, restoring and harmonizing your energy. It spirals through your body, dissolving all resistance. With each breath, you open to infinite peace and clarity. Feel your awareness expanding beyond space and time. You are deeply connected to the rhythm of the universe. A soft vibration hums within, resonating with pure harmony. Let this energy flow freely, awakening your inner power. Your mind becomes clear, your heart light and open. Feel a gentle wave of bliss washing over you. You are completely aligned, balanced, and at peace. Let this radiant energy embrace every part of you. Your soul is awake, vibrant, and deeply renewed. Slowly bring awareness back to the present moment. Hold on to this tranquility as you gently return. Breathe in deeply, feeling refreshed and empowered.